Namo Namaha, myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Ashwasya Swaminishta Part 2. Aparatiram gatva bhumau patati. Gatva tvantave, going. Aparatiram, apara other. Tiram bank, going to the other bank. Bhumau patati. Patati fall down. Bhumau on the ground. He falls down on the ground. He falls down on the ground. He means here Ashwa. Tena aghatena Swami api bhumo nipatati. Tena aghatena. Because of this shock. Aghatena, because of this incident, because of this accident, because of this shock. Api Swami, even his master, bhumo nipatati, falls down on the ground. Falls down on the ground. Because of this shock, even his master falls on the ground. Nipatati latlakar. Kinchit kalanantaram Swami saugyam labhate. Kinchit, sometime. Kala anantaram, after some time. After some time, Swami, the master. Saugyam labhate. Labhate, atmanepadi latlakar. Saugyam, consciousness. Back to consciousness. Regains consciousness. Or comes to himself. Comes to himself. After some time, the master regains consciousness or come to himself. Saha ashwasya samipe agacchati. Saha, he. Agacchati, comes. Actually, gacchati means to go, but agacchati its opposite. Comes. He comes. Samipe, near. Ashwasya, he comes near the horse. He comes near the horse. Snehena ashwasya shariram sprushati. Sprushati, touches. Latlakar. He touches ashwasya shariram, the body of the horse. The body, ashwasya of the body of the horse. Snehena, with affectionately. With affectionately. Snehena, प्यार से. With affectionately. He touches the body of the horse with affectionately. Bhumau patitah ashvah api swaminam pashyati. Samadhanena pranan tyajati cha. Ashvah patitah bhumau. The horse fallen on the ground. The horse fallen on the ground. Pashyati swaminam api. Looks at his master. Pashyati, looks. Latlakar. Looks at his master. Cha means and. Pranana tyajati, and dies. Samadhanena tritiya vibhakti, with the affection, with the satisfaction. With the satisfaction. The horse fallen on the ground looks at his master and dies with satisfaction. Ashvah patitah bhumau. The horse fallen on the ground. Pashyati, looks. Api swaminam, at his master. Cha means and. Pranana tyajati, dies with समाधानेन, satisfaction. त्यजति, त्याग करना, dies. कः एषः नृपः? ज्ञायते वा? Who is this king? कः, who, एषः this, who is this king? ज्ञायते वा? आत्मनेपदी लट्लकार, means is he known to you? Is he known to you? स एव महाराणा प्रतापः. He is eva, none other than Maharana Pratap. He is none other than Maharana Pratap. Rajasthan राज्यस्य मेवाड़ प्रदेशस्य नृप श्रेष्ठः. नृप, king. श्रेष्ठ, great. The great king. The great king of the province of. प्रदेशस्य of the province of Mewar. Of the province of Mewar. Rajasthan राज्यस्य. राज्यस्य in the state of Rajasthan. In the state of Rajasthan. He is none other than Maharana Pratap, the great king of the province of Mewar, in the state of Rajasthan. कः एष स्वामी भक्तः अश्वः? कः, who, एष this. Who was this horse? Devoted to his master. Who was this horse? Swami Bhaktah. Who was this horse? Devoted to his master. एषः चेतकः नाम अश्वः. He was a horse. He was a horse. एषः नाम एषः अश्वः. He was a horse named Chetak. He was a horse named Chetak. अश्वेषु आदर्शभूतः सः. सः means he. अश्वेषु सप्तमी बहुवचन. आदर्शभूतः ideal. He is the ideal among the horses. बहुवचन सप्तमी बहुवचन. He is the ideal among the horses. आदर्शभूतः ideal. तस्य स्मृत्यर्थं निर्मितं समाधिस्थलं मेवाड़प्रान्ते विराजते. समाधिस्थलं a tomb. निर्मितं made. स्मृत्यर्थं in his memory. तस्य स्मृत्यर्थं in his memory. समाधिस्थलं निर्मितं तस्य स्मृत्यर्थं a tomb made in his memory. मेवाड़प्रान्ते विराजते is there in the province of Mewad. विराजते लट्लकार is there in the province of Mewad. प्रान्ते सप्तमी विभक्ति in the province is there in the province of Mewad. A tomb made in his memory is there in the province of Mewad. धन्य स्वामी प्राणप्रतापः. धन्य च स्वामी भक्तः अश्वः चेतकः. धन्य ब्लेस. ब्लेस is the master Maharana Pratap. Blaze is the master Maharana Pratap. And ch means and. Blaze is the horse Dhanyah. And Blaze is the horse Chetak. The Blaze is the horse Chetak who was devoted to his master. Swami Bhaktah who was devoted to his master. कवि कुलगुरु कालिदास संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालयेन प्रकाशितायाः संस्कृत बालसाहित्यमालायाः आधारेण इयं कथा. That this story is taken from the Sanskrit Bal Sahitya made by Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit Vidyalay. Let's see the grammar. विभक्तान्त्य रूपाणि लिखत. प्रथमा कः एषः नृपः चेतकः. तृतीया तेन आघातेन स्नेहेन समाधानेन. षष्ठी अश्वस्य प्रदेशस्य राजस्य. सप्तमी प्रान्ते. लकारं लिखत. लट् लकारः पतति निपतति आगच्छति स्पृशति पश्यति त्यजति. These are परस्मैपदी लट् लकार. ज्ञायते विराजते लभते. These are आत्मनेपदी लट् लकार. संधि विग्रह कुरुत. किंचित कालानंतरम. किंचित त हलंत प्लस कालानंतरम. In this way we done this lesson Ashwasya Swami Nishtha. Students, you have to do the reading practice of this lesson and do the practice of grammar also. धन्यवादः.